Okay, notes from September 3rd, decimal to fraction. Okay, on example 1, you need to write 0.45 as a fraction. There are 2 decimal places. That's tenths, that's hundredths. So that would be written as 45 hundredths. And all fractions need to be reduced to simplest form. So you find a number that divides into both 45 and 100. That would be 5. And 45 divided by 5 is 9. And 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 0.45 is 9/20th as a fraction. Example 2, write negative 0.142 as a fraction. Okay, this has tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 3 decimal places. And it's a negative decimal, so that would make this a negative fraction. So negative 0.142 would be 142. And it's negative over 1,000 because of the 3rd decimal place. Okay, you're going to reduce that. Find a number that divides into 142 and 1,000. Let's try 2. 2 divides into both numbers. 142 divided by 2 is 71. 1,000 divided by 2 is 500. And we can't reduce that anymore, so negative 0.142 as a decimal is the same as negative 71/500ths as a fraction. Okay, when changing repeating decimals to fractions, write 0.5 as a fraction in simplest form. So this is 0.555. There's one repeating decimal, or one repeating digit, and that's the 5. 55555, so that's the repeating digit. And it's only one digit that's repeating. So you're going to write this as n equals, we're trying to find the fraction, 0.555, and it keeps going, so that's the ... Because it's only one repeating decimal, we're going to multiply by 10, both sides. When we multiply this by 10, it's 5.555, ... Okay, now we're going to subtract the n from the 10n and the 0.555 from the 5.555. Okay, subtract n, subtract 0.555. Okay, now what we're going to get here is 10n minus n is 9n. And 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 5 minus 0 is 5. So basically we have 9n equals 5. Divide both sides by 9. And then you have the fraction 5/9. So 0.5 with a bar over it. Repeating decimal is 5/9. Go ahead and check that on your calculator. 5 divided by 9 is 0.55555. Okay, example 4, write 0.27 as a fraction. This is a 2 repeating digit. 27, 27, 27, 27, 27. So instead of multiplying by 10, we're going to end up multiplying by 100. So we're going to write n equals 0.2727 ... because it keeps going. Okay, we're going to multiply both sides by 100 because there are 2 repeating decimals. So this gives us 27.2727 ... Okay, now we're going to subtract the top minus n. Bring this over here. Minus 0.2727. Okay, that gets rid of the decimal. So now we have 99n, 100n minus n equals 27. That's because, basically this is 0. So now I divide both sides by 99. Okay, and then I get n equals 27 over 99. We can reduce that. 9 goes into both, 27 and 99. 9 goes into 27 3 times, 9 goes into 99 11 times. So the decimal 0.27 repeating is the same as 3/11ths as a fraction. Okay, write 2.18 repeating decimal as a mixed number, so that's 2.1818181818. Okay, the 2 is not repeating, only the 0.18 is repeating. So we're just going to work with the 0.18 repeating to find out what that decimal is as a fraction. So n equals 0.1818 ... Okay, I need to multiply by 100 because there are 2 decimal places. So 100n equals 18.1818 ... You're going to subtract the top, so that's minus n. Subtract that. Minus 0.1818. Okay, that gives us 100n minus n is 99n. And this is 0, 0, 0, 0. 18 minus 0 is 18. Divide both sides by 99. You get n equals 18 over 99, which reduces to 2/11ths. Okay, so 2.18 repeating decimal over the 1/8 is the same as 2 and 2/11ths. Okay, this 2/11ths was only for the repeating decimal, so I need to make sure the 2 is still included as the whole number.